Welcome. If you're looking to control who can view and leave reviews on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to prevent others from viewing and posting reviews on your Facebook page using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see a list of pages you manage. Click on the page where you want to adjust the review settings. Once you're on your page, click on your page's profile photo to access the main menu for your page. Now, it's time to dive into the settings. Look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy on the left-hand side of the menu. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Page and Tagging. Click on it to open up more options related to your page's interactions and privacy. Here's the important part. Find the setting that says, Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. By default, this option might be enabled. To prevent people from viewing or leaving reviews, simply toggle this setting off. Once you've done that, your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled reviews for your Facebook page, giving you more control over how people interact with your business or community online. This is a great way to manage your page's reputation and keep things running smoothly, especially if you're not currently seeking public feedback. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy-to-follow Facebook tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.